Hello friends, I am Dr. Hina Rajawat, Assistant Professor of Geography of Department of Social Science of Biani Group of Colleges. Today I am giving lecture on Earth's interior or the interior of the Earth. On the basis of seismic waves, that is P waves or S waves or L waves, we divide Earth's interior basically into three parts: core, mantle and crust. First we talk about the crust, that is the uppermost and the thinnest layer of the earth. About the crust. Crust is the thinnest and the uppermost layer of the earth. Crust on the basis of PG and SG waves divided into two parts, upper crust and lower crust. Upper crust is also known as continental crust and the average depth of upper crust is about 30 kilometers. It is made of rocks of granite. And the lower crust, which is also known as oceanic crust, and the average depth of the oceanic crust is about 35 km, that is 30 to 35 km, we consider it as oceanic crust. It is made up of basalt and grabo. Crust in total comprises of 0.5% of total volume of the earth, that is only 0.5% of total volume of the earth is come under the part crust. And there is a discontinuity between the upper crust and the lower crust because there is a change in the density. The density of the upper crust is 2.65 gram per centimeter cube while that of lower crust is 3.0 gram per centimeter cube. So there is a discontinuity between the two parts of the crust and this discontinuity is named as Conard discontinuity. And after crust there comes the mantle, and between the crust and the mantle there is also a discontinuity which is named as Mohorovičić discontinuity. Upper mantle is somewhat of in molten stage, and this molten stage the seismic waves speed get retarded because P waves travel slowly in liquid. So this upper part of the mantle is also known as asthenosphere. So we consider lithosphere up to 0 to 100 kilometers is considered as lithosphere, and after 100 kilometer it is asthenosphere, and the next one is the mantle part. The intermediate layer, that is mantle, comprises of 83% of the volume of the earth's interior. 83% is come under the mantle part. So the intermediate layer mantle is the most thickest layer of the earth's interior. Average density of the upper mantle is 4.3 gram per centimeter cube while that of lower mantle is 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. After mantle there comes the core, but between the two parts of the mantle, that is upper mantle and lower mantle, there is also a discontinuity which is named as Rapiti discontinuity. And after mantle and core, at the boundary of the lower mantle and the outer core, there is also a discontinuity known as Gutenberg discontinuity. And outer core is somewhat in the molten stage also. It is also in a liquid form and the average density is 5.1 to 10 gram per centimeter cube. And the inner core is solid form. It is made of nickel and ferrous and it is very solid, and its average density is 13 gram per centimeter cube. And the core as a whole comprises of 16% of total volume of the earth's interior. But between the outer core, because it is in molten stage and it is in solid state, and between the outer core and inner core there is also a discontinuity known as Lehman discontinuity. So up to the depth of 6,370 km we divide the earth's interior mainly into three parts, and this diagram shows that this is the cross section of the earth's interior, and this diagram clearly shows that what are the densities of different layers and what are the depths of the different layers and what are the discontinuities between the various parts and various zones of the different layer of the earth's interior. So thank you.